In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and publish your very own online magazine using an easy-to-use magazine template. If you've ever dreamed of producing your own publication but weren't sure where to start, you're in the right place. We'll walk you through each step, from selecting the template to adding engaging articles and stunning images, and finally hitting that publish button to share your creation with the world. First, let's dive into selecting the magazine template that suits your vision. Think of the template as the backbone of your magazine, providing structure and style that enhances your content. As you browse through the available options, consider the theme you want to convey. Are you going for something contemporary, classic, or perhaps avant-garde? Once you've found the template that speaks to you, select it to begin customizing your magazine. Now it's time to add the heart of your magazine, articles and categories. When deciding on the topics and categories, think about what will capture your audience's interest. Organizing your content into specific categories not only helps in keeping it structured, but also makes navigation a breeze for your readers. Take some time to plan out your sections. You might want to include a variety of topics like current events, lifestyle tips, or cultural pieces, depending on your focus. As you create your articles, keep your audience in mind. Are you aiming for informative, entertaining, or perhaps inspiring content? Next, you'll want to enhance your articles with images. Good visuals can elevate the reading experience, making your magazine not only informative, but visually appealing and engaging. Start by choosing high-quality images that complement your articles and align with your magazine's overall aesthetics. If you're sourcing images online, make sure they are royalty-free or that you have the proper permissions to use them. Strategically place these images so they break up the text nicely, keeping your layout interesting and inviting. Once you're happy with your articles and images, it's time to hit publish. But before you do, take a moment to go through your magazine with a critical eye. Check for any grammatical errors, ensure the images load correctly, and make sure the navigation through different sections is smooth and intuitive. Perhaps ask a friend or a colleague to give it a once-over. A fresh set of eyes can catch things you might have missed. Finally, as you publish your magazine, feel a sense of accomplishment for this creative endeavor. This is a fantastic way to share your stories, ideas, and perspectives with a broader audience. Remember, the beauty of an online magazine is its dynamic nature. As you gather feedback and your interests evolve, you can continually update and improve your publication. Congratulations on taking this exciting step into the world of digital publishing. That's all for today's tutorial. Take a moment to relish in your accomplishments, and I can't wait to see what you create.